Hey everybody, hope all is well. Welcome back to another episode here on the ShabinLife. Today we are digging in the dirt. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time because we don't typically film too much anymore here at the suburban homestead. Today we are going to plant about 500 seed garlic seed. And we thought we'd bring you guys along for just a really fast video, just a few minutes, mostly just to have a little bit of fun. Just to let you know, the garlic that we plant is from Whole Foods. Whole Foods is pretty awesome. We don't typically shop there, but we do go there once a year just to buy the organic garlic.
Did I miss the garlic planting yet?
You didn't miss the garlic planting. There may be some people out there who say, hey, you know, store-bought garlic, it's a little crazy. I'll be honest, we've done it for years and it works out really good. If you haven't seen the ShabinLife Instagram, you can see pictures of the garlic that we've grown in the past, and we braid it and do all kinds of fun, cool stuff with it, but it really does well. We typically plant maybe like 100 or so, anywhere between like 50 and 100 cloves, and we normally have plenty for us, and it stores pretty well through the wintertime, and sometimes we have enough left over for the balance of the following winter to replant again for the next year. This year we're doing something a little different by planting an absolute ton. We use garlic pretty much for everything, as I'm sure everybody else does, as far as cooking and so on and so forth, but we use a ton of it when we make our fire cider. If you want to know the fire cider recipe, there's a million of them. They're pretty much all the same. You can jazz them up a little bit or read about fire cider. You can visit the ShabinLife Instagram account. We have a post from way back in the day that gives a cool recipe and some pictures, all that good stuff. But fire cider, we use a ton of garlic for that kind of stuff. But this time we have some other plans for the garlic. I'll tell you what though, let's go to actually planting the garlic. I'll take you there right now. 500 cloves of garlic in the ground in probably real time about 45 minutes, but in your time a minute or two, which was pretty awesome and therapeutic for me to watch. If you're asking yourselves why did they plant so much garlic, you'll just have to keep watching to find out. But thanks for checking in. Thanks for visiting ShabinLife, first time here. Be sure to subscribe. I'm sure the next video that we come back with will be back on the house build, but we just thought that planting some garlic would be fun. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. So there you have it, 500 So there you have it. So there you have it. So there you have it. So there you have it.